5 Ways to Improve Your Online Customer Experience in 2021. In the present business world, innovation assumes an expanding part in client experience. As tech keeps advancing at a fast speed, it's imperative to advance your client experience for purchaser patterns. Clients can associate with organizations all throughout the planet and make buys through their cell phones and are doing so now like never before. Giving your clients the advantage of innovative accommodation will give you a cutthroat edge this year and past. Here are 5 different ways to redesign your client experience: 1. Assemble a self-service portal for customers. A self-administration entry gives clients all day, every day admittance to certain client administrations through their cell phone or PC. For instance, handling a return or changing a membership status should be possible by clients themselves. You should simply create an application or web-based interface that empowers them to serve themselves. Without reaching your business for each need, clients get a more helpful and on-request insight. Besides, putting resources into this innovation one time can diminish continuous client service costs for you. 2. Make checkout faster and easier. The fewer advances clients need to take to finish their buy, the more outlandish they are to relinquish their truck. It's a lot simpler to surrender your truck online than in an actual store. By getting the online checkout measure down to a couple